Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Bit of haze out there in the Rogue Valley, some much hotter temperatures today. Tracking, you can see one of these kind of a cumulonimbus clouds trying to get going right now in the valley. There may be a few sprinkles coming out of this one, but that's about it. There's a few isolated showers, mainly up in northern portions of Klamath and Lake County. But the big story today is the much hotter temperatures. 100 degrees right now in Medford. Those breezes are picking up as well. It's 100 degrees in Grants Pass, 101 in Eagle Point. 95 in Jacksonville. Comfortable on the coast. Temperatures in the 60s down in Siskiyou County. 99 in Montague. It's 89 in Mount Shasta. 93 in Fort Jones. And then east of the Cascades, temperatures in the upper 80s to low 90s. 91 currently in Klamath Falls. Taking a look at the radar imagery. We'll zoom in here. That's a look at that shower that's popped up at the south end of the Rogue Valley. May see a little bit of rain coming out of that, or at least some sprinkles. Not seeing any lightning being detected with any of these very isolated cells, mainly near the Cascades. Could see still through the next couple of hours a stray thunderstorm, but most of the storm activity is further to the north and to the east, up around the Bend area. We will see, once we get past these few isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm over the next few hours. The thunderstorm threat looks to be done as we head into the work week. It's going to be a pretty quiet week ahead overall. Taking a look at air quality, good in Klamath Falls, Yreka, down through Mount Shasta. Some moderate air quality in Medford and Grants Pass. We could see some reductions in air quality into this evening as some smoke swings through from the north. Otherwise, tonight, clearer skies down to 66 in Medford, 52 in Klamath Falls, and 61 in Yreka. Marine layer clouds and fog impacting the coast. And then tomorrow in the Rogue Valley, lots of sunshine. We'll see those temperatures climbing up well into the 90s, getting up into the upper 90s, 98 tomorrow in Medford. So not as hot today, but still pretty toasty and above average, up to 96 in Grants Pass, 93 in Lakeview and Klamath Falls, and 98 in Yreka. No threat for thunderstorms. We will be seeing some haze and smoke in the region along the coast. Look for marine clouds and fog to decrease as we go throughout the day, up to 65 in Brookings. Winds will pick up in the afternoon tomorrow, getting some gusts up over 20 miles per hour in the Rogue Valley, down into the Shasta Valley and the east side. And that should be enough to move out some of the smoke and haze. We're still going to need to keep an eye on downwind from fires burning in the region, especially those fires up to the north, including the Diamond Complex. It looks like Klamath and Lake County have the best chance for you folks at seeing some more rounds of smoke and haze as the week progresses. But in the Rogue Valley, expect still to see some pretty hazy conditions tomorrow. Hot temperatures. Highs will stay mainly in the mid to upper 90s through the first part of the work week. Taking a look at Stormcast tomorrow, not concerned about any thunderstorms. It's going to be a pretty quiet day, and the quiet weather sticks around through the work week, but we'll have to watch this weekend. There is going to be the slight chance of some thunderstorms, mainly along and east of the Cascades for this next weekend. For the coast, though, look for some brighter skies Tuesday and Wednesday. Some warmer temperatures, less of a marine layer influence, and breezier winds. Highs can make it in the 70s, especially in Brookings, Northern California. All in all, pretty hot and dry stretch of weather. Upper 90s, near 100 degrees Wednesday and Thursday. The Klamath Basin, highs will be in the 90s. In the days ahead, some periods of smoke and haze to contend with. We'll be watching next weekend for the threat for thunderstorms, also seeing that potential up into the mountains. And then in the Rogue Valley, our hot stretch looks to continue. Overall, temperatures in the upper 90s for the most part through much of this week, with all in all fairly bright skies. Some passing clouds, though, through midweek, but we look to stay dry.